Hi, I'm Jon Leland, and if you're new here, I'm a media innovator for many decades, and my mission is to ignite your video mojo. That's human creativity, and today's question is, how can an artificial intelligence like ChatGPT spark human creativity? I was really inspired by a Sounds True podcast about a new book called Can AI Answer Life's Biggest Questions? It's really an amazing and remarkable collaboration between a technologist-philosopher, a poet who earns his living full-time from creativity, and ChatGPT. There are a lot of lessons we can take from it. A biggest one, I think, is the power of collaboration. A big misunderstanding that people have about artificial intelligence, if you haven't played with ChatGPT, is understanding that because it's a chatbot, it really is a collaborative medium. It isn't about finding the perfect prompt that then generates the perfect response. It really is about a give and take, a conversation, a chat, where you can not only get responses, but then refine those responses and ask for it to be funnier or ask for it to be more persuasive, what have you. So that collaboration is reflected in the way these two authors collaborated with ChatGPT. They fed it a lot of the world's greatest wisdom, the Bible, the Quran, the Tao Te Ching, Leonard Cohen poems, a lot of different inputs. And then they had a back and forth, an iterative process that evolved to get these amazing spiritual answers that make up the book. And then the book title asks the question, what makes us human? And I think that's really the other big takeaway that I want to leave you with here is that one of the main ingredients that makes us human is the power to have an intention. AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT does not have an intention. It has no agenda. It's up to us to provide the intention. We're the ones with the desire. And what these two authors illustrate beautifully is the power of a positive intention. They call it a critical techno-optimism. So they use ChatGPT to embellish, to collaborate, to develop the world's wisdom and come up with these amazing spiritual answers that make up the book. So when we come to artificial intelligence with a creative, collaborative mindset and an intention that the results that we're going to produce are going to make a difference, that are going to be valuable, that are going to make the world a better place, our creativity naturally gets inspired. We want to do things that make a difference. So using ChatGPT in a collaborative way with the intention to make the world a better place to serve in whatever way you want to serve, that will spark your creativity. You will be inspired. And that way, not only will you have more creative juice, get more done, but the world will also be a better place and we'll all thank you for it.